Hello guys, this is Juritha, teacher by professional. Today I would like to share with you a video about teaching sounds. I want to teach you sounds, guys. The sounds is a better way of teaching reading. With sounds, a child of 3 years old can learn as quick as possible how to read. Please, I invite you on watching these movies, these videos, and I hope that they will help more. Thank you very much. Guys, as I told you, this is sound A. With this A, it's a starting sound for different words, and I would like to show you how it helps. With the A, we may have the word apple. Yes, for sure. This is apple, apple. And with a drawing, a child can quickly read the picture as well as the word. You see? We have another word which is axe. Axe. As you see, this is a drawing, guys. It's a drawing. This is the axe normally, and this is axe. Axe. Easily, as we know that this is a, we shall be able to read axe. I may give you another word which is like ant. 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 A child who may not know how to read directly, you use drawings, and with the drawings he will be able to quickly read. Yeah, this is ant, and this is axe, this is apple. These are different words, start with A, and sometimes you see, guys, many people read A, and when you read A, cannot read apple. X, no. So as well as you teach A, it will be able, it will be easy to read apple, axe, ant. This is lesson 1. For sure, lesson 1. Yeah, after this, we may have another sound. Another sound is sound B. You try to put the lips together, and then you say B. Not ba, as some people say, but B. B. It is written like this: a stick, a stomach. This is sound B. 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 Okay, and with B, we may have ball. This is ball. If you want, I will put a drawing, a picture to easily clarify. Ball. So you see, there is a picture. There is also a word. I emphasize on the beginning sound, which is B. B. Ball, book, book, as well as I draw, and then like that, I think a child can easily read. You know, the pictures help them to read, but also words, because at the beginning, pictures help more, but as they grow, they also need to learn words with the sounds, the use of sounds. Guys, thank you. This is ball, book, banana, 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 you see, always the starting sound, banana, book, ball. After reading many times these words with the pictures, you may even delete the pictures, and then a child is very able to read the words because he knows the starting sound. The starting sound here is ball, book, banana. So after a very short time, you ignore the pictures, and then a child will easily read. They are very bright, guys. After I was on sound After here, you may have exhausting list of words starting with but we can continue with many words, but also we have to go to another sound.
Yes, good job.
Yeah, we need to move on other sounds, but hope that you have understood how you read here. Parents has to know first and teach their children, because my interest is children, but they cannot not run when you don't know how to read. I am a teacher, I told you, and most of the time when I'm teaching sounds, you teach a child apple, axe, ant, but when he reaches home, they teach A, letter A, apple. And when a child reaches here, it becomes a very big problem. Here, it's B. Parents, most of them teach B. And how, if you are saying B, how will a child read ball? It will confuse him or her. But when we start with the sounds, we didn't know them, we shall be able to teach our children how to read. Isn't it? Yeah, hope so. Apple, axe, ant. You get? Ball, book, banana, Yeah. At the beginning, we are focusing on the beginning sounds. After finishing them, we shall even read how these sounds or these ones we are using, and then to be a very simple job. Thank you very much. If you want, you can move on. Sound K. We sound K. It is written like this. This is sound K. It is also another way of teaching a child how to read, especially words starting with this K. I would like to give you an example. Suppose we want to read cap. I'm drawing because you are at the beginning. If we fail to read the word, the picture is here. I told you that always pictures help a child how to read. If he fails to read here, exactly he knows that this is a cap. But I'm teaching him or her how to read even words, because he will not be always having pictures. He may face where the word is written without drawings. So this child who started reading with me will be able to read focusing on the beginning sound. Cap, cap, cut. We may say cut, cut. Sakat. Cat, cow. You see, all these words I told you, we may have many words. Cap, cat, cap, cow, cow, cat, cap. This is sound. I would like to stop by here. Next time we shall continue reading many other sounds. But today, this was the lesson for today. I invite you next time to follow my lessons. Thank you very much. Actually, I have books. I have books which always help me to teach. There are some books which helps me to develop vocabularies, to maybe get something essential to teach. But most of the time, I read books for children. My emphasis is on children, not on adult people. Children, always. So, this is a book which is Baby Basics. This is The Impossible is Possible. It always encourages me. It encourages my thoughts. This is all about guidance and counseling. Yeah. I teach, but a teacher is also a good counselor. Yeah. Next book here, you see, bringing a child, bringing up children. That is also an important book. This is a very good book that I mostly like. Children's Ministry on Purpose. I invite you on reading this book written by Stephen Adam. It's a very amazing book. And many books here. You see, this book is concerning with numbers, and it is also helpful, guys. So I invite you on my library, my videos. I have important things to help you parents. Thank you.